Did you know that your BMW E46 has a hidden menu? Well, in this video, we are going to be showing you how to access that hidden menu, show you a couple of options that this hidden menu has, and then in the description below, we'll share a full list of all of the options you can access within this hidden menu. And just for your information, this works on every single E46. Let's get into it. Right, to access the hidden menu in your E46, the first thing you do is put your ignition on, and then on this cluster, hold the left button down until test appears. So the first thing we got to do is unlock the menu. So to unlock the menu, you go to test 19, wait till it goes to 19.0 and then press it once. And then these are all the tests. So we're going to go to test 2 and wait till it goes 2.0 and press that. And this is doing a cluster test. So this checks all your dials and all the pixels and all the lights on your dash. And you could do this again. So another hidden feature that you can try is the RPMs of your engine. So to do this, what you have to do is reset everything. So turn your ignition off, turn it back on, hold down the left button until test appears. Go to test 19 to unlock the menu again. Wait till it goes 19.0, press it once, and then go to 7 and then 7.1 7.2 I believe is RPM. So if I start my car now, we get RPMs in a digital form. So these are just a couple of the options that are in this hidden menu. There are a lot more, and what I will do, I'll put them in the description below so you can go through each one and see what they do. I hope you find this video useful. If you like stuff like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.